Hi, it's Isabel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do real-life percentages. So, my real-life percentage is how many kids in my class brought their library books. So, 14 kids didn't bring their library books out of 29 kids. Now we're going to go to our calculator and do the math. Okay, so the first thing we would do is 14 divided by 29. And it equals a big ugly number. So all you're going to need is 0.48. And the next thing you're going to do is 0.48 times 100. Just 48. So 48% of kids didn't bring library books in my class. Okay, everyone, it's time for problem 2. So my problem is, how many people in my class have names that start with M? There are 4 people, so 4 out of 29, and that equals a big ugly number. So we are just going to take the first 2 digits, which are 0.13. And then we have 0.13 times 100 equals 13. 13% of the kids in my class have names that start with an M. Hey everybody, it's time for problem 3. Problem 3 is how many kids in my class have jobs. 10 people in my class have jobs out of 29. So 10 divided by 29 equals a big ugly number, so just put 0.34. 0.34, and then times it by 100, which is 34. 34 is the answer. Thanks for watching.